Hey there. Today I want to show you something that the Atomicwork team has been working on for quite some time, and it's going to change the way IT teams function. IT teams have historically been understaffed, underfunded, and overworked, and we are announcing AI coworkers that would join the team and give your IT team superpowers. Let's look at how it works. I'm going to create an incident. Let's say it's about slow internet in the Austin office. I have a ready-made description that I'll paste here and submit. Looks like the ticket is created. Let's view it. Okay, now if you notice, an IT support triage agent, which is essentially one of the AI coworkers, has already started working on it. If you notice right here, it ran 30 steps and called 10 tools. Now, it's escalated it to the global triage agent. So it looks like this problem was outside the scope of the IT support group. Okay, it's added a private note which is highlighted by this yellow box. Basically, it won't be available to the employee who raised the request, but the IT team would have a complete audit trail. So the IT support triage agent determined that this is outside the scope of IT. None of the available specialists in IT support handles network infrastructure or connectivity troubleshooting, and it escalated it to the global triage agent. Now, the global triage agent looked at the issue and determined that it's a ticket for the network operations and routed it to the network operations triage agent. The network operations agent is assigning the ticket to the network and connectivity engineer. This is also another AI coworker, and the engineer is now going to investigate the office-wide internet speed degradation and diagnose the network path fault. All right, so here are some steps that it did, and it shared an initial assessment. Okay, now to proceed with the next steps, it needs these details. Now, if you notice, during the course of this troubleshooting, the status of the ticket was open. Now it's changed from open to pending. A human agent from the network and connectivity group now needs to jump in and address this. But when they jump in, they won't be starting from scratch. All the legwork has already been done. The basic troubleshooting and basic diagnosis has already been done. You can set up background workflows that fire whenever a ticket status goes from open to pending, and it alerts a human agent in that group. So that was just one use case. There's a ton of things that you can do as long as you can describe what goals and what skills the AI coworker should have. You would be able to build a coworker and then refine it over time. And the coworker would be able to access tools that you give it access to. So you can set the guardrails, set the limitations, set budgets, and eventually also measure performance of the AI coworker to refine it and improve it continuously over time.